how to reset DNS in Namecheap. So the first thing that you need to do is to sign into your Namecheap account, and right here you will click on dashboard. Once you have selected dashboard, then you want to go into domain list, find the domain which you want to reset the DNS for, and you will click on manage. Now the first thing that you need to do here is to go into name servers and make sure that Namecheap basic DNS is set. So make sure this is set, and then you will go into advanced DNS, and if you want to reset the DNS records, then you will simply, if you have any added here, then you will need to delete them. So I'm just doing this as an example, and you will delete them here if you cancel it. Or let's just do a real one. So this is going to be and the IP address, I'm just going to type whatever, and I will click on send. Okay, and if you want to delete it, like I said, you will just delete the record by clicking on the trash can icon, and if you have no records, then your DNS will be reset. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.